today's episode of Better with Bridgetta, I'm making mini blueberry cheesecakes. And this is what the practice run looks like with the graham cracker crust, the cream cheese filling, but without the topping. So it's really finger licking good. This is what you're going to need: graham cracker crumbs, butter, heavy whipping cream, well, it's got to be good, right? Sugar, cream cheese, blueberries, an egg, vanilla extract, salt, lemon, and cornstarch. Okay. Our first step is to make the crust. So we have graham cracker crumbs, sugar, and melted butter. We're going to use our pastry blender to combine everything. So it should be the consistency of like sand. The butter is our binding agent. We're going to put in about a tablespoon of our graham cracker crust in the bottom of each muffin liner. Our next step is our filling. We're putting in our cream cheese. That's an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. Then we have whipping cream. We have our sugar. 1 egg, and we're going to go ahead and mix it now. Now we're going to add vanilla extract, salt, and lemon juice. I'll have to scrape down the sides one more time and then mix a little bit longer, then it should be ready to fill our cups. Our oven's preheating to 350 degrees, and now I'm going to scoop filling in. So this is about, we're going to put 1 to 2 tablespoons in each cup. Okay, these are going to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. And I'm going to put them over there. Oh, they look beautiful. Now our final step is we're making our blueberry topping. So I have our blueberries for when we went blueberry picking, water, sugar, cornstarch, that'll help thicken it up, and get it all out of the bowl. It really stuck. And lemon juice. We're going to heat this, stir it up, and we're going to have to let it chill after that before we can put it on top of our cheesecakes, which are cooling off. And we're going to spoon our topping on. Oh, that looks beautiful. Really happy with that.
Okay, Bridgetta?
Yep.
What's the official name for these?
Mini blueberry cheesecakes.
Well, they sure look gorgeous.
I love the way they look.
I don't know if you can see this. I should probably walk around the camera and show.
Graham cracker on the bottom, your cream cheese filling in the middle, and your blueberry sauce on top. Oh my gosh. That's really good. And I love them because they're small. It makes it seem like there's no calories, right?
Wow.
And these are the fresh blueberries that we picked.
This is good.
This is really good. Yum. Of course it has a lot of sugar in it, and whipping cream and cream cheese.
Friends,
You gotta make this.
this is decadent.
It is.
Thanks, Bridgetta.
You're welcome. I'm glad you liked it. Oh, we'll definitely make this again. Because I still have a lot of blueberries left.
Should we say goodbye while we continue to eat?
Yes. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're gonna keep eating, maybe more than one. And we'll see you again real soon. Bye.